going to show you the newest steps in 24 how you can join the CapCut PC. You can start by opening your CapCut PC like this, and after that, don't forget to sign in into your account on PC. And after you sign in under your username, there will be this option to join the CapCut Pro. So just click on that, and this is the subscription service page, and here CapCut will show you what you'll get after you after you subscribe to the CapCut Pro. You can unlock all the benefits like features, materials, and also you can get 100 GB cloud space storage. So just select the plan, and after that you can click on purchase. Then here you'll see the details of price that you need to pay for joining the CapCut Pro, like this. This is the original price, so I got a discount, so this is the total that I need to pay. So in my country, the payment method, there are two. You can choose credit or debit card, or you can also use an e-wallet like this. So if you're choosing to pay with card, you need to fill in some details like card number, expiration date, security code, and also the card holder name. If you are choosing the e-money e-wallet, you can just click on link account to link a CapCut with your e-wallet. So after you proceed with the payment, you can just enjoy the CapCut Pro for free. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.